Look at the next question, which is very important. Okay. Find the sum of 11 terms of an AP. You have to find the sum of 11 terms of the AP, right? But what is the given? Whose middlemost term is 30? Middlemost term. How will you find middlemost term of the AP? First, look at here. Okay. If an AP number of terms are odd, if an AP number of terms are odd, look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see? 5 terms you have, which is odd. So who is at middle? This will cancel with this. This will cancel with this. So can you see? Only one person will be at the middle if we have odd number of persons, right? So what is our formula of the middlemost term? Number of terms plus 1 and divided by 2. Check out. Here the value of n is 5. If I look at this example, so 5 plus 1, 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. So can you see? Third term is at the middle. Do you agree with me? So this is a formula. If n is odd, then middlemost term is given by the formula n plus 1 by 2. Correct? What if you have even number of terms? Terms can be the even number. Look at this example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose I have 6 persons with me. This will cancel this. This will cancel this. So then 2 persons will be at the middle. Yes or no? If the persons are even, then definitely 2 persons will sit at the middle. So what will be the middlemost term? 2 terms will be the middlemost term. Okay. And what are the numbers? N by 2th term. And definitely just after that, next of this, n by 2 plus 1th term. 2 persons will be at the middle. Check karo. Here n is 6. So 6 by 2 third. Can you see? This is your third term. And 3 plus 1. This is what? This is your fourth term. So am I clear with the formula? Means if n is odd, if total number of terms are odd, then the middlemost term is n plus 1 by 2th term. But if n is even, if you have even number of terms, then we will have 2 terms at the middle. And what will be those middle terms? N by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. Clear? So come back to the question. He say value of, you have to find the sum of 11 terms and middlemost term is 30. So number of terms are 11. So means n is what? Odd. If n is odd, so what is the formula of middlemost term? Look at here. N plus 1 by 2th term will be the middle term. So what is the middle term? What is the value of n? 11 plus 1 by 2. Means 6th term will be the middle term. Just think, you are 11 persons. So which person will be at the middle? 6th person will be at the middle. Right? See, this is this thing. Right? So means 6th term the value is 30 because he said middlemost term value is how much? 30. And I calculate 6th term is the middlemost term. Means A6 will be the 30. What is the formula of A6? A plus n minus 1d. Value of n is 6. Means I will get A plus 5d value is 30. Correct. Now we say find the sum of 11 terms. I will write the formula of Sm. What is the value of n? If you want, you can replace over here. Value of n is how much? 11 by 2. 2a is 2a. Value of n is 11. 11 minus 1. You will get 10d. Can I take 2 common from here? Yes. 2 will come common. It will become a plus 5d. What is the value of a plus 5d? It is your 30. Replace kar do 30. This 2 and 2 will be cancelled. 11. This is your 30. So 11 into 30 is how much? 330. Means sum of 11 terms will be the 330. Am I clear? Again I am repeating. If n is odd, then the formula of middlemost term is what? N plus 1 by 2th term. Right? You cannot do n by 2 because it is odd. Can you divide the odd number by 2? No, it will come in the fraction. So n plus 1 and then by 2. If n is even, then we can do even number by 2. Then this formula is not applicable because even 6 plus 1, 7, 7 by 2. Can you have 3 by 3.5th term? No, always I say term is like a roll number in your class. Do we say come 3.5 roll number, come 2.2 roll number? They are the natural numbers, right? So even number है तो व्हाट इज द मिडल मोस्ट टर्म? 2 टर्म्स विल बी एट द मिडल एंड कौन सी 2 टर्म्स होंगी? n/2th टर्म होगा एंड नेक्स्ट टर्म मीन्स n/2 plus 1th term. So we applied the same concept over here and we got our answer. Clear?